Hi and welcome back to Lockpicker 69. It's going to be a quick parcel opening video today. I sent this via the crappy lockpicker. He said he had medeco 4-pin they had kindly lent me, so yeah, to see how I get on with it. And also, by the feel of it, another challenge lock. Torpedo blue, another one by Haribo. Number 34. As you'd expect from Harry, a lovely smooth. That'll probably be a fucking ball ache. And now the little medeco. It's a big non-key for the medeco. As you can see, it is biaxial, so it means the pins have to be rotated. And it's also got a sidebar, which have to line up with the pins. As you can see, it's got the chiseled key pins in there. And like a stock lock, lovely and smooth. If you don't know who the crappy lockpicker is, I will link you to his channel down below. So if you haven't already, please go check him out. And keep an eye out for these videos in the upcoming couple of weeks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you all again soon.